for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap down today and continued to trade with a negative bias throughout the day. After opening gap down, it traded in a sideways manner and ultimately ending the day with a 63-point cut in today's trading session. The market depth was however positive with 827 advances to 747 declines. The mid and small cap index both closed with gains in today's trading session. From the Nifty 50 pack, HDFC, TCS, Reliance, ITC, ICICI Bank, ONGC, Larsen & Toubro were some of the losers in trade today, while the defensives like Lupin, Cipla, HDFC Bank, Hero MotoCorp and the PSU banks like Punjab National Bank and Bank of Baroda closed with gains today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has broken the previous swing low of 8049 and has closed below that, which is a sign of concern. However, it is trading above the crucial support of the 20-day simple moving average, which is placed at 8010. Now in the coming trading sessions, if we see even 8010 being breached from the downside and the closing basis, we see the Nifty closing below that, then we can expect further downside. However, looking at the markets, we can observe that only the Nifty 50 pack stocks and the large heavyweights are taking a hit. The overall breadth of the market is positive, and the smaller and the mid-cap companies are closing the days with gains every day. So a larger part of the market is still on the bullish side. Only the Nifty 50 pack is showing some weakness. So we maintain a positive stance on Nifty as well, and we expect the Nifty to hold on to the crucial supports placed at the 20-day simple moving average and thereafter start its positive momentum once again on the upside. The daily momentum indicator has slipped into the negative mode since past 3 to 4 trading sessions, so that is adding the downside pressure in Nifty. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that after opening gap down, we traded in a sideways manner for most part of the day, and in the last half an hour of the trading session also selling pressure once again emerged. Now 8010 is a crucial support to hang on to for the bulls, and that should be defended by the bulls in the coming trading sessions. Overall, we expect the support of 8010 to hold on in the coming trading sessions, and thereafter we get confirmation that that support is valid or a significant support. If we get a positive daily close afterwards, then that would be another confirmation that the Nifty has found a crucial support around that 8010 mark. So until and unless that happens, we can expect some correction in the Nifty in tomorrow's or coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty similarly has closed in the negative today. We expect the Bank Nifty also to continue its upward momentum on the upside. Reason being, only some of the stocks like ICICI Bank and Axis Bank are closing in the negative today. However, the PSU banks like Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda have been closing in the negative even after the Nifty has closed with a loss of 63 points from yesterday's closing, from the previous trading session's closing. So that indicates that on the upside still banking stocks have more steam left, and that should pull up the Bank Nifty as well on the upside. So we maintain a positive stance on Bank Nifty as well. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 16,054 and 15,900. On the upside, resistance is placed at 16,239 and 16,309. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty still remains positive. 8010 is a crucial support for the Nifty. On the upside, 8072 and 8114 are crucial resistances. 8010, which is the 20-day simple moving average, should act as a crucial support. Nifty closing below that can lead to further correction in Nifty. 8010 is a crucial support for the coming trading sessions. That's all for the day. Thank you.